Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, continuing with the theme of high achieving Nigerians, I bring you the story of Dehlia Umunna. Dehlia Umunna has become the first Nigerian to be appointed a professor at Harvard Law School. So that's Dehlia Umunna. Now let's dig into who she is exactly. So Dehlia Umunna becomes first Nigerian to be appointed a professor at Harvard Law School. She started working at Harvard Law School in 2007, and she is also Deputy Director and Clinical Instructor at Harvard Law School Criminal Justice Institute. Nigerian women are making waves and they should be celebrated. 43-year-old Dehlia Umunna has become the first Nigerian to be appointed professor in Harvard Law School. She was appointed Clinical Professor of Law. Matamino, Dean of Harvard Law School, has said Dehlia's students revere her. Her colleagues at HLS and nationally look to her as an exemplary advocate, teacher, and mentor. From her unprecedented win record in criminal defense trials, her deft leadership of the Criminal Justice Institute day to day, and her superb coaching of student moot court teams, her published scholarship, to her numerous awards in recognition of her outstanding work as a criminal defense attorney, advisor, and teacher. Dehlia is simply extraordinary, an inspiration to her students and her colleagues in every way. It is a true privilege to be her colleague. So this is what her senior said. According to Harvard Law School today, Umunna has been a lecturer at Harvard Law School since 2007. She is the author of the article Rethink the Neighborhood Watch: How Lessons from the Nigerian Village Can Creatively Empower the Community to Assist the Poor, Single Mothers in America, and many more, which was published in the American University Journal of Gender, Social Policy, and the Law. She is also the Deputy Director and Clinical Instructor at Harvard Law School Criminal Justice Institute, CJI, through which she supervises third-year law students in criminal and juvenile proceedings and arguments before the local Supreme Judicial Court and Appeal Court. These students represent adult and juvenile clients. Before joining Harvard Law School, Umunna was a trial attorney with the DC Public Defender Service and an adjunct professor of law and practitioner in residence at the Washington College of Law, American University. In her career, the eminent lawyer was a lecturer for several years at George Washington University Law School. In addition, Umunna is a board member of the District of Columbia Law Students Law Clinic. She currently serves as a faculty member of Gideon's Promise and is a frequent presenter at public defender trainings across the country. Sharing her joy, Umunna said, "I am blessed and honored to join Harvard Law School's remarkable faculty. I relish this extraordinary opportunity to continue work that I am truly passionate about, and I am grateful for the deep interest and commitment of the school to issues of criminal justice, mass incarceration, indigent justice, and social justice." Educationally, Umunna holds a law degree from the George Washington University Law Center and a master's in public administration (MC) from the Harvard Kennedy School of Government. She also has a BA in communication from California State University, San Bernardino. So this is the new name now that we're celebrating. We had the pilot just a couple of days ago, and now we have the law professor, a Harvard law professor no less. Dehlia Umunna is the name that we're sharing today in this video. A celebrated woman in Harvard Law School, a woman that we celebrate because she's one of our own. So another Nigerian, a female Nigerian yet again, so that's 2-0 to the girls. So another Nigerian yet again making waves in diaspora. So I bring you these stories just in contrast to what is going on in our own country. So just to let you know that the potential is there and the potential is within us, and with the enabling environment is in place, Nigeria will thrive. So this is what some of us are pinning our hopes on, because we identify this within our people and we want it unleashed. So yes, we celebrate the pilot in the Middle East in Qatar. We celebrate this law professor who is making waves in Harvard, but then we want them in Nigeria to build our country. Well, I'm not asking them to come back home, because they have no reason to come back home. Their life is already settled where they are. But I am saying, if the environment in Nigeria is enabling, then all of these people are people that will be churning out. And if we have this level of people in Nigeria, then the pressure on the system to do better will be a lot more. So that is where the story is. Dehlia Umunna, another name to celebrate. I cheer you, madam. We all cheer you. And well done for flying the flag and all that. So what say you? Dehlia Umunna, Nigerian Harvard law professor, giving us reasons for pride. Let's have conversations about this in the comment section. But before we go have that conversation in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button as well so you are notified as soon as I drop a video. Soon as you've done that, come join me in the comment section where we can carry on this conversation. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, and I'll say peace.